Let us not forget that most creators know how to use lighting, angles, and some even use filters. So let me show you something. Of course we're going to pick the best lighting. Let me show you the worst. So this is my favorite. It's warm lighting. This one, no. But you want to see the worst? Yikes. Okay, let's go back. Number 2, you know I've started my Tret knowing journey. I started my journey with Tret. I do it 3 times a week. This is the balm I've been using. I skip around with different brands. I'm really liking this one though. Almost out. Next, I use this. The Daily Gel Cleanser. And last but not least, they have an intensive hydrating serum. When I tell you, I love this stuff. Let's look at my skin before I do it. Little pump. Ooh, I'm running out of this too. Ugh! I'm running out. I need more. I need more. Hold on, Gracie. Mom's making a video. You want to go viral or not? Look at that. Thanks for the compliments.